Okay, so it turns out I was not recording for the last one, but I'll make this a little bit briefer. I'm sitting up $493, but in the morning session I was only up $90. I step away. I did not want to trade MLGO. Stocks like this are really annoying to me. It's a China name. It's really whippy and volatile. It acts very contrary to what you want it to do, what you think it should be doing, what other stocks would do. It'll probably do the opposite, but then go and do what it was supposed to do after it does the opposite. Classic fake out, but like on a very grand scale. And then on a micro scale, the level 2 is kind of funny. The action's kind of like funny up and down, top to bottom. And then even the news on this one was very counterintuitive. The news was that the stock was yesterday at $2.52. The news was that it was at 80 cents a share, that they were doing a secondary offering shares at that level to some private investors or so, and to raise capital. Kind of a weird, funny situation. Anyways, whatever it was, shorts got faked out by that news thinking it would go down, and longs jumped in and it kept holding up. Looks like it trapped some people here and went to the moon. VVPR, after I ate and came back, VVPR, actually, I think I went for a walk for like 30 minutes and then came back. VVPR comes up out of nowhere and then really just nice halts up above a critical level and above the 200-day, and then goes to continue on above 3, holds up around the $3 area, pivots, and then goes higher. And then gets up to around 4. I don't make a whole bunch of money on it. I was trading with really small size. I didn't like how full I was, how late in the day it was, so I didn't really push size at all. Until I started making money on 500 shares, I was like, okay, might as well, step up the share size a little bit. So double size up to 1,000 shares, and then made some money in this kind of zone consolidation here. And I did really well at cutting in some sketchy situations. MLGO, I did some practice on. Happy about the practice, especially because I'm green. Happy that I stayed persistent on it while I was practicing. What I'm going to do better tomorrow is to stay persistent on the main name, even though I don't like it. I didn't like this name. I didn't want to keep trading it, but it just was undeniably strong. And so I was like, okay, I'll at least practice on it with small size, and that's what I did. Kind of same with VVPR. I'll practice on it with small size, and then eventually I kind of got a feel for the price action, and I was able to trade it. So that ended up being the day-to-day. Real quick on this kind of truncated review. There's going to be no video on it. I already did it. I did this video once, and I just don't want to elongate it anymore. I got some stuff to do, and so I will catch you guys again tomorrow, bright and early, at around probably 5 p.m. Eastern time. Peace.